Hello everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood educator again. Oh, kind of cheesy, isn't it? I kind of wanted to use it like a Spider-Man, but I think that is kind of cheesy. So hello everyone. Today I will be going through using Pictoblox again, but today I'm going to do text classifiers and I'm going to use NLP. So what if you guys don't know what NLP is? NLP is natural language processing. So it's kind of like a machine learning model. It is actually it's not kind of, it is a machine learning model. So NLP is usually used, let's say, it is usually used for artificial intelligence that deals with the interaction between computers and human using natural language. Okay, so it's kind of like the model, the machine learning model, or the artificial intelligence model will attempt to extract information from the spoken and written words using algorithms. So some of, I think, the normal one that use NLPs would be email sensing, email filters. If you guys know, sometimes when you receive email, it just straight away goes to your spam, right? So that actually they use the NLP, the natural language processing, okay, to just kind of filter. So let's say they kind of things that some of these words are kind of dangerous or kind of sketchy. So it's already inside the, let's say, your emails of your email. Let's say you use Gmail, it's already inside your Google Mail, and it will detect all of those words that can classify those emails as spam. Okay, so with that explanations done, let's go on to the activity. So I will be using 2B, but actually for this activity you guys can use any kind of sprites. Okay, so first I'm going to add an extension here, which is this one, natural language processing, which is create text classifiers with NLP. Okay, and then I'm going to create blocks. So what is actually this one, my blocks? You create a block. So actually you can actually create your own custom blocks. So these blocks would actually do actions that you guys specify for them. So for example, and how do you specify for the action for the block? The custom block, you can use any kind of blocks that is available here, since we are using here the block codings. But of course, if you guys are using Python, you guys can make more specified custom blocks. Okay, so first I'm going to share this one. I'm going to make a block that is called data for lights on. Okay, okay, and then it will create autocomplete create here, define data for light on. So this is how will we be defining, or we will create the instruction for our block here, data for lights on. Okay, okay, so what I will do is first I will go to this one, the natural language processing extension, and add here your text. So let's say lights on as lights on. So if you guys remember what I told you, so like the words in the email, like right, that classify as spam, we are also going to add words here to classify it as lights on. It's too dark here. Okay, then let's duplicate some more. So next is I want to study light is too low. Turn on the Light is too dim. On. I need. I need some sunshine. Okay. Oops. Sorry, I missed that sunshine. Sunshine here. Okay. And then we also create another block which is for data for lights off. Okay. Save. Define. So I'm going to put another one here. This is lights off for as lights. It is off. Okay. Then I just pick it. It's too bright here. I want to sleep. Light is too bright. Turn off the light. I do not want to study. Off. I need to rest. Okay. So this would be all the words that will be used to classify for lights off. Okay, so you guys can see I have none. So I am just defining here. So even if I click, nothing is happening to Toby, right? Toby is not doing anything because right now we are just actually defining our own blocks. We are not actually starting or actually initiating any kind of blocks. Okay. Okay, so next we'll make another block which is train data. Okay, here train data. Then first is this one resetting text classifier. So the resetting text classifier means we are resetting back all of the words or actions that will define our action our code. So for example, we have lights on and lights off code, right? So while resetting all the text classifiers, so all of this that we add here, lights on, to dark here, lights off, will be reset for these two attributes, which is lights on and lights off. Okay. And then what we will do is that we will put data for lights on here, data for lights off, and then train the text classifiers. So here we are actually inserting again the words that we added here for these classes, which is lights on and lights off, and then we will be training these text classifiers with the added words we have added here. So what, but still, even I click, it does nothing, is right. But what we can do is that here we can put when the green flag is clicked, first it will train the data, and then it will say get class of I am playing. So this would be the words lah. I am playing. And another one is get classifier of I need to study. Okay. And then we will, so it will get here at the topping. Lights first is lights off, and then lights off again. Wait, why is it lights off? Okay, let me see. because it's not this one, so it should be I want to study, and I think I change this one to I need to rest. Okay. This one, let's put here. Lights off. Lights off. Profile lights off. What is happening here? This one should be I want to study. First I need to rest. Let's say I put here this on. Okay. Here you guys can see. Okay, so I put lights on, lights off. So it will say this. It will say these classes. Okay. Why is I want to study lights on and lights off? I want to study should be lights on. Maybe because here this one I don't want to study and I want to study as similar, it happens like that. Okay. But we can also try changing it, turn off the light, and this one let's say turn on the light. Okay, let's see what it says. Lights on, lights off. Okay, so maybe some of the words are kind of similar, right? So it couldn't really detect, but for this two it detected. Okay, so that is all for today's class. So I wish you guys will also try this activity and project, and thank you.